Sawubona mngane, uthini? Ngiyakwamukela ku speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando. That means, what's up my friend? How are you doing? A very big welcome to speakndebele.com. My name is Ndando. Right, isifundo sethu sanamhla Izinyanga Lezigaba Zomnyaka. The months and the seasons of the year. Good. Now before we get into it, let's get some vocabulary out the way. A month is inyanga. Say it with me. Inyanga. A year is umnyaka. Say it with me. Umnyaka. That's a year. And izigaba zomnyaka are the seasons of the year. Izigaba zomnyaka. Excellent. Now let's begin with January. The word in Ndebele for January is uzivandlela. Uzivandlela. Good. Now the word for February is unhlolanja. Say it with me. Unhlolanja. Very good. The word for March is umbimbito. Umbimbito. Very good. The word for April is umavasa. Umavasa. Good job. Okay. May is unkwenkwezi. Unkwenkwezi. Excellent. And June is unhlangula. Say it with me. Unhlangula. Good job. Let's do July. July is untuligazi. Untuligazi. Very good. August is uncwabagazi. Uncwabagazi. One more time. Uncwabagazi. Get that click? Good. Let's do September. September is umpandula. Umpandula. Good. And October is easy. Umfufu. Say it with me. Umfufu. Let's do November. November is ulwezi. Another easy one. Ulwezi. And finally, December is umpalagazi. Umpalagazi. Wonderful. Now let's get into the seasons of the year. Now, as you know, we have 4 seasons, and let's begin with summer. Now, summer in Zimbabwe is in the months of December, umpalagazi, January, uzivandlela, and February, unhlolanja. The way you say summer is ihlobo. Say it with me. Ihlobo. And in summer is when we plant. It's very, very hot, and there's also a lot of rain, which is excellent for all the crops that we plant. Getting ready for ikwindla. Ikwindla is autumn. Say it with me. Ikwindla. Very good. Now the months in autumn are umbimbito, March, umabasa, April, and unkwenkwezi, May. Good. And ikwindla is when we harvest all the crops that we planted in summer. Okay? Let's go on to ubusika. Say it with me. Ubusika. Ubusika is winter. Winter is the cold month. Right after summer, right after we harvest, we go into ubusika. And those months are unhlangula, June, untulikazi, July, and uncwabagazi, August. Very good. Now, the last season that we have is intwasa. Say it with me. Intwasa. Intwasa, of course, is spring. And spring is, the months of September, umpandula, October, umfufu, and November, ulwezi. And at this time, you'll see a lot of the jacaranda trees, which are the beautiful trees with the beautiful purple flower that bud in spring. And also a lot of exams are being written at this time. So let's do a quick practice. Okay. If someone were to say, when is your birthday? Ilanga lakho lokuzalwa linini? You could say, limhlaga 6 kampalagazi. It's on the 6th of December. Very good. One more. If someone were to ask you, izikolo zivulwa nini? You could say, izikolo zivulwa ngozivandlela. Schools open in January. Very good. Now it's time for me to say goodbye. Salani guhle. Don't forget to register your free account, subscribe to us on YouTube, and friend us on Facebook.